Hi, I wanted to show you just how you can get started on today's assignment on page 26 of your Bridges student book. So you see all the different colors of beans and they all have a number with them. Like the green beans are worth 10 cubes, the red 12, white is 30, black is 45, purple is 15, and rainbow is 60. That just means those are the numbers you're going to add on your number line. Like this first one says 2 green beans, how much money? So if a green bean is 2, 10 is what each one is going to be. So it would be 10 plus 10. So make sure you write the equation 10 plus 10 equals, and you probably already know what 10 plus 10 is, but I'll still show you on the number line. I always say start with the bigger number, but since they're the same, you can just start with the first one. And I'm going to underline the number in the tens place. And start with 10. And so that's just what you add, 10 plus 10, and 10 plus 10 is 20. So then you write your answer over here, 20, and put a box around it. So that's how you do it. The next one says 1 green bean and 1 black bean. How much money? So if the green bean is 10, remember you're going to write 10 plus the black bean is 45. You're going to write 10 plus 45 equals. And since we want to start with the bigger number, we're going to start with 45. So I'm going to mark my starting point here, 45. So I only have to add 10. And when I add 10, you can write your answer up here too. When I add 10, just going to underline the number in the tens place, 110. So that's all I have to add. 45 plus 10 is 55. So my answer is 55. I can write that here, but also you can write it here. And then let's look at the next one. It says number 1 green bean and 1 purple bean. How much money? Okay, well, we know a green bean is 10 cubes, so you're going to write 10 plus. A purple bean is 15, so you're going to write 10 plus 15 equals. Start with the bigger number, that's 15. So I'm going to start with 15, and I just have to add 110. 15 plus 10 is 25. So you're going to write your answer here, 25. Put a box around it, and you can also write it here. And we'll look at the last one here, and the rest you'll do on your own. 1 purple bean, 1 red bean. So purple is 15. So we're going to write 15 plus. Red says that it is 12. So 15 plus 12 equals, that's our equation. And remember, we want to start with the bigger number. The bigger number is 15. So we're going to count from 15. And then we're adding 12 to 15 because we started with 15 and we're counting on 12. And remember, you underline the number in the tens place first. Just 110 you need to jump. 15 plus 10, remember you can use your 200 chart to help you, is 25. And then you're not done here because look, you need to underline the number in the ones place and it's 2. So you're going to add your 2 ones. 25 plus 2, 26, 27. So you added 110 and 2 ones because that's 12, and it added up to 27. So you can write it there and write it here. Keep going. Remember to start with the bigger number every time, even if it's the one that's last, like this one, and add your tens and your ones. These ones didn't have ones to add, so we just added the tens, but here you had one 10 and then 2 ones to add. So don't forget the 10s first and then the ones. And we will look at this together at small groups today.